Hello and welcome to my video on how to use the Walt Disney World app and some of my favorite features on the app. So when you open the app and log in, you should see hello, your name, and it will have the picture that you chose, the character. And this is your home screen. And so when you scroll down, you'll see, if you have plans, you'll see some plans there. And then you'll see park hours and you can select which park. And these are just for today. And then if you scroll down further, you will see just some kind of advertisements, if you will, for events going on or new attractions in the parks. So that's your home screen. And so I call those three horizontal lines in the bottom right-hand corner the menu or the hamburger menu. And so there's a couple of things here that I'm always really frequently visiting. The first is right here under My Visit, Wait Times and Show Times. So this is going to take you to a screen where you can see all of the wait times throughout the entire park. So you don't have to actually go to any rides to see what the wait time is. You can just look on the app. So you can see here, mine is on Epcot, but you can easily change park by tapping on there. And you can select which park. So here I'm looking at all the attractions in Epcot and kind of either if there's a show or their wait times, so 5 minutes there, things like that. But if I'm trying to get lightning lanes and I only want to see the lightning lane experiences, you can toggle this toggle right here underneath purchase lightning lane passes. And then it only shows the ones that have lightning lanes. So it's easy to see. So that is your wait times. Now, if you go back to the menu, My Visit, and that second one there is going to show My Plans. And it's always going to open on the day today or the first day of your plans. And so you're going to be able to see at the top, there's the different dates, and you can go through and see what you have planned on those days, what's coming up. This will have any of your lightning lane reservations. It will have your dining reservations, anything like that you have coming up. So you can always access that there. So those two I'm always looking at. Another area that you'll want to be familiar with is on that bottom menu there, you can see that location button. It's going to default to wait times, and unless you're there, it's usually defaults to Magic Kingdom for me. If you are there, you're going to see a little location button in the bottom left that you can click so that you can see where you're at in relation to everything. Now, this is kind of useful to see all the wait times as a whole, but if you're not familiar with the parks, this might not be as useful because you're not really sure what these attractions are. But what I like to use this for specifically is either dining, and you can see that these are all dining locations, and when you tap on one, you can tap the name of the restaurant or the location and then look at the menu. So this is really helpful if you're trying to decide where you want to eat. Is everyone going to want to eat there? Does it have something? I mean, ice cream, that's something for everyone. But let's look at, for example, here we go. Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe, which I actually don't recommend going here. But it does have kind of the standard park food. So you can see what's offered. Any of these that you see that have a wait time, those are sit-down restaurants or lounges that do usually require a reservation. But if you are looking to join a walk-up list, that's going to tell you approximately how long the wait is. Now, this will vary once you tap on it. It will update based on your party size and things like that. So just take that number with a grain of salt, but you can join the walk-up list through the app, not even visiting the restaurant, but you do need to be within a certain range, a geofence. I'm not sure exactly how close you need to be, but I know that here in California, I am too far away. So you do need to be in the park and relatively close to the restaurant to join the walk-up list. So also on these tabs at the top, you can scroll through and see, you can look up entertainment, characters. One of my favorites though is restrooms. Especially if you're not familiar with the parks. This will show you, and again, if you are using the location services and you are there, you'll be able to see which one is closest to you, and you'll also be able to use a feature where you tap on it and get directions, and it will even give you walking directions right to the restroom. Shops, transportation, guest service, PhotoPass, if you have the memory maker and you want to get your photo taken, here are all the locations where a PhotoPass photographer will be. So there is so much information to be found here on the location tab. Another feature I use often if I don't want to be scrolling all over the map to try to find something, I use this search feature at the bottom. And then I can type in, let's say I'm looking, how do I get to a restaurant? I want to know how to get to Pecos Bill's Telltale Inn and Cafe. And then I can click on that, get directions. And then it will put in my current location and I can get directions there. Or I can show it on the map. And then I can, again, if I have the location on, I can see where I am in relation to that. So if I have the name of a place, but I'm not really sure where it is, I can use that search feature to do that. Here's another example with an attraction. Let's say I wanted to find a ride called Kali River Rapids. So I'd start typing it in and you see it pops up there, and then I can tap on it and then tap on get directions. It automatically puts in my current location, and then I can just tap start walking and it will take me there using the map. So those are my favorite features of the Walt Disney World app, the things that you are going to need to use most frequently when you're there. So please let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy.